I watched this video on the YouTube and I decided to do properly in-depth backtesting process to figure out exactly how much we can make profits by using this strategy. So first of all, I will show you exactly when to open a buy and when to open a sell, and then I will do backtest process of more than 100 trades, and finally I will show you the exact settings what I have used. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Welcome back to TradingBotLab. I'm your host Abdul. Let's move to my screen. And here you can see I have applied two indicators, the UT board alert indicator two times. So you need to click one and again you need to click, so it will be applied two times. Here on the screen you can see very nice signals. It gives a buy signal here and it is going up. It gives a sell signal going down. It looks too good to be true. The strategy is to open a buy trade. So when it gives a buy signal, we will open a buy trade on the closing of the candle. Here it open a buy trade. The SL will be below the last swing low and the TP will be open like there will be no TP, and this trade will be closed on the next opposite signal, which is sell. And as per rules, this trade will be closed on this candle here, and on the same time we will open a sell trade here. The SL will be a little bit higher than the last high and the TP will be a bigger TP and open TP, because this trade will be closed with the opposite signal like here on this candle. So here the sell signal will be closed and then I will open a buy trade here. Exact the SL will be at the last swing low and the TP will be a bigger TP, because the strategy guide us to close any trade on the opposite signal. So here the buy trade will be closed in the profit. Here you see some trades in the profit. So now let's do the backtest process to figure out how much it can make profit. So the backtest process is completed and here you can see the first trade it opened on October 30 and the last trade is opened at February 5, 2026. And in the last almost 3 months, it opened total 43 trades with a win rate of 55.8%, and it made a total net profit of $144 with a maximum drawdown of $49. So overall, there are very low number of trades, but there are some winning trades and the win rate is good. Here below in the equity curve, in the start, the curve was nicely going up, and from January 5, it is not going well because it is going down and down, and till now it's overall in loss. And here below you can see the profit and loss distribution trade by trade. A close trade with the maximum TP of like almost $35, and the highest losing trade is almost like minus $10. And here you can see win loss by directions, buy and sell. And now finally let's move to my screen. I will show you exact setting what I watched, the settings from this video. And here the settings are, you can see 6 and 10 for 8-hour period, and in the style the sell is unchecked, and here below the second number the buy is unchecked, but the inputs are 7 and 20. I hope this video save a lot of your time and efforts and money, so don't forget to hit subscribe and like this video. See you soon in the next video. Goodbye.